Somebody turned on the snow faucet, the snow hose or something like that, and it's just like continuing to come down. And in fact, Mike, just within the last half hour, we were told by a chain installer that they are now closing Interstate 80 at Applegate and not allowing any vehicles past this location where we are. We are at Applegate, around 2,000 feet in elevation. And if you look in the distance with me, you can see a CHP vehicle at the off-ramp here at Applegate. And then when you follow the cars that are being diverted off at this location, they're going up the off-ramp, and then they're, in some cases, turning around and going back westbound. So that is a good indicator to us that it is, in fact, shut down at this location. Now, we haven't been able to confirm that exactly with CHP or Caltrans just yet, but they've been so busy today because the snow levels are so low that it's possible they just haven't updated their social media handles just yet. We have learned that at Colfax, traffic is not getting past Colfax and going eastbound. So we're just a little shy of Colfax. We're right before Colfax. And so anybody who's at this point at Applegate, well, they're not going to even make it the couple miles it is down the road to Colfax. So we believe that is why this officer down here is turning people around, and big rigs are also going around. They're going back westbound. So a very fluid situation, Mike. You know, to your point when you sent it on over my way, the snow's just been coming down all morning long. We got out to Colfax in our 4 a.m. hour, and we started seeing some light snow, and it has just not stopped ever since that time. And so now it's really affecting traffic. They were letting cars and trucks go through on I-80 if they had chains, but right now it appears as if I-80 is shut down in the eastbound direction right here at Applegate. So, of course, stay with KCRA 3 News. We'll be with you on it all day long, reporting in on the conditions. Mike, I'll send things back to you now.
All right, Melanie, we appreciate your live reports all morning long.